Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to join team in Grammarly. Joining a team in Grammarly is a straightforward process, especially if you are part of Grammarly business account. Here's how you can join a team in Grammarly. First is by receiving an invitation. Check your email. You should receive an email invitation from your team admin. Look for an email from Grammarly that contains a link to join a team. You can click on the invitation link. Open the email and click on the invitation link provided. This link will direct you to Grammarly website. If you do not have Grammarly account, you need to create a Grammarly account. You can sign up using your email, Google account or Apple ID. Complete the sign up process by following on-screen prompts to create your account. After signing up or logging into your Grammarly account, you should see a prompt or notification to accept the team invitation. Click Join Team button or a similar button to confirm your membership in the team. If you are unsure about the invitation or need assistance, contact your team admin or the person who invited you. Joining a team usually requires a Grammarly business plan, so ensure your organization has this subscription. By following these steps, you should be able to join your team in Grammarly seamlessly. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.